Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I'm really excited to share these products with you because some of you have been waiting a long time for two of these. Are you ready? Get set. Let's look at the first one. The first one was available on HSN, and it is half of one of the stamp sets that was on HSN. Now it's called Cards and Envelopes, and this is called Cards and Envelopes set number 1. So let's look at set number 1. It says, from the craft room of, created for you by, I made this just for you. This card is your present with the cute little heart, a little line so you could write your name on it. A lot of hours plus chocolate equal this card. I should get an award for making this and made just for you just because, which is really, really cute, isn't it? Now, that's one item that we're releasing that was on HSN at one time, so you might have it. Go check your stash first. The next one is one of my favorites, especially for anniversary and wedding cards. It is the Rounded Gate Fold It card, and this one is really awesome because it allows you to create a gatefold card with lots of options, meaning you can add the swirl if you want to, but you don't have to. You have lots of words here. You have congratulations on your wedding, happy anniversary, a fun little heart, and I have lots of samples to share with you, so stay tuned. I released this one a long time ago, probably about 5 years, 6, 7 years ago, with the original company that I'm designing for, so now you can get available here. Finally, it is the surprise wiper card that I took on HSN that literally sold out ASAP. It sold out right away. Finally, we've brought it to our website. I call it the swiper card, short for surprise wiper card. Not really, I always just think swiper, so I call it a swiper card. But this one is really interactive because things pop up when you open it, and I have lots of fun samples to share with you. Let's first look at some of the envelope samples that I have because that card envelope set is really cute. So here's it. Oh, let's see. This one is not. That's a secret. That's a special one for next time. Here's a cute one on the back, made just for you, just because. It's just a cute little card with that cutie pie on the back. Then we have the special delivery. Now this is actually going to be in set number 2. So that's a heads up on set number 2. And that one's a set number 2 also. And that one's a set number 2. So most of those are set number 2. So you got to go wait for set number 2. Now, let's look at the fun gatefold cards. Look at how gorgeous that is. Congratulations. Look at that fun swirl. Open that up on your wedding. Now, Cheryl loves to use our 3D inks, and she went bonkers on this one. And you know what? I wish you could see this in person because it is stunningly beautiful. Now, here's a cute one using our fun little bird bath. Look how cute that is. You're going to open it up and write your message on the inside. So you can use the swirls, and you don't have to. That's just optional. Most of our designers chose to use the swirls. Look how pretty that is. We're going to open it up. Oh, it's got a little clip on it. And on the inside it says, Happy Anniversary. Isn't that cute? And I don't want to untie it because it's too pretty, but it says Happy Anniversary. I absolutely love it. So cute. Here's a fun one. This one we will untie. This one has the little thing on here. We're just going to slide it down to open it up. And there it says whoops, got an extra one in there. Congratulations. Isn't that cute? I love it. Now, let's look at the swiper cards because they're very, very exciting. And I know a lot of you have been waiting for these. So here it is. This is how it's going to look when you send it to somebody. And then when you open it up, watch this. Whoa, something pops up. So that one says, Happy birthday to you, to you, to you. Okay, here's a cute one. Have a sunny day. With a sun. Isn't that cute? Cute little sun popping out. Here's a cute one. Hip hip hooray. Open that up. Have a smashing birthday. Boing, boing. I know I could do these all day. Okay, here's a cute one. A little birdie told me it's your special day. There's that little birdie. Isn't that cute? Here's a cute one. Sending you lots of love. Wow, look at that. Isn't that awesome? Can you do, look how fun that is. You could do that all day long. Your friend, whoever you give this to, is going to do this all day. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I love it. Here's a cute one. Happy belated birthday with a cute little sloth, because you know sloths are so slow. Isn't that cute? Here's a cute one. You could even do it for Christmas. Merry Christmas with a gnome. Merry Christmas and a gnome. Here's a cute one. Let it snow. Open that up. Hello. Hello, isn't that cute? Here's a unicorn one. Open it up, and a rainbow. Now, how easy, hard are these to put together? So simple. What you're gonna do is you're gonna die cut 2 of them. You are going to decorate, and when you put, so here's one down here. What you're gonna do, and let me peel this one up so I can kind of explain it to you. What you're gonna do is there's a little piece in there. Let me show you. There's a little piece in there. This is like the little tag that you can use. You don't have to, you can pop up other things, but this is the little tag, and on the die, there's this little tiny notch, okay, a little line. This cut line is where you are going to put that little folded piece. So here I have my folded piece. I recommend strong adhesive for this, stronger than what I'm using right here. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take that little flap and you're gonna put it right under that line, that die cut line, okay? Press down just in that spot so it pops up like this, okay? Then you're gonna die cut another one, and if I laid it down the exact same, it would be the exact same. We don't want it to be the exact same. We want it to be the opposite. So what we're gonna do, and let me get some score tape on this one because this one's I took this one apart to show you, and it doesn't like that I took it apart. So let's add some score tape. Score tape's awesome for this project. And we're gonna peel this up to get that score tape on there. And then, so normally it would be like this to be the exact same. What we're gonna do is we're gonna turn it opposite, and we're gonna line up those corners, line up these corners, press, 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 and now fold it, and now watch this, ready? Now it's popping up. Isn't that awesome? So fun. So lots of options on those, and I've done other videos on them. You can go check it out. I'll do even more videos on that. You're gonna love them. They are so much fun. Club members, of course you get your club discount on all of these products. If you're not in the club, you are missing out. You don't want to be missing out, so go check them out, thestampsoflife.com, and you know what? I'll see you there. Bye-bye.